Once upon a time, coding felt like a secret club, reserved only for developers. Remember those days? Endless lines of code, frustrating debugging sessions, and project timelines that stretched for months. Business users? They just had to wait. But then, AI changed the game. Imagine this. A business user simply says, "Build me an app that analyzes my sales data and gives me insights." And just minutes later, a working app appears. This isn't science fiction, this is vibe coding. It's about creating through your vibe, your idea, not just complex syntax. So, what exactly is vibe coding? Simply put, it's using AI-assisted tools to build functional applications just by describing what you want in plain English. You don't start with a blank code editor, you start with an idea. The AI steps in to help you craft the logic, generate the actual code in languages like Python, and even test the workflow. All while you stay focused on the business goal. As we like to say, you give the vision, AI gives the version. Let's walk through a typical vibe coding flow. It starts with an idea. Let's say you want to analyze retail sales. Next, you grab a relevant data set, maybe from Kaggle or your own company files. Then comes the magic. You write a simple prompt to the AI, something like, "Create an app that lets me chat with this sales data." The AI gets to work and generates the initial code. A developer then reviews this code, refining the structure and adding crucial business logic to turn a concept into a reliable application. Finally, you secure it, add your API keys, and deploy it. Just like that, your idea is live. It's fast, creative, and incredibly powerful. Why is this a big deal for business teams? The benefits are huge. First, speed. We're talking about building apps in hours, not weeks. Second, collaboration. Business analysts, testers, and developers can all work together on the same creation. It also promotes learning, as even non-coders can now understand the application's logic. This leads to more cost-effective projects, since you can prototype ideas quickly and make smarter investments. Ultimately, vibe coding empowers teams to innovate by experimenting with real data without friction. It's not just about building faster, it's about thinking faster. Now, a common question is, does this replace developers? Absolutely not. In the world of vibe coding, developers are more important than ever. Their role just evolves. They become the architects who audit AI-generated code for security and accuracy, integrate complex APIs, and ensure the final product is robust and production-ready. They're the ones who make sure the app delivers real business value, not just a pretty interface. Think of it this way. AI drafts, but developers deliver. The role of QA and business analysts also gets a major upgrade. They become the bridge between the idea and the outcome. They validate the business rules, ensure the data visualizations actually make sense, and confirm that every feature supports a real-world decision. Their sign-off isn't just "it works," but "it helps." Of course, security is paramount. We're not just letting AI run wild. API keys are stored securely. Sensitive business data never leaves your controlled environment, and version control tracks every single change. AI is a powerful assistant, but humans will always guard the gates. Here's why this resonates so much with us. We've always believed in smart thinking over fast typing. Vibe coding aligns perfectly with that philosophy. It allows our analysts to explore ideas without being blocked by code, our developers to focus on high-impact problems, and our testers to become insight checkers. Everyone becomes an innovator. The impact is transformative. Faster experiments, more meaningful applications, and a deeper understanding of data across the entire organization. It's about empowering every single idea with the power of intelligence. Vibe coding isn't about replacing developers, it's about inviting everyone to build. The goal isn't just to write more code, it's to achieve more clarity, collaboration, and creativity. Thanks for watching. If this sparked an idea for you, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more content on the future of building and creating.